Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX.com, putting together the second video in my series. I really wasn't planning on doing one so soon, but we've had so many trades, even since yesterday, and I see another one here. So I'm going to place a pending sell line right here. We'll talk about the trade once the lines are in place. Pending sell means if the line passes that, I'm going to enter the trade and give the stop loss a little bit of a buffer there. That's a sell stop loss. Pop that in there, and I'm going to want a sell take profit. Now, somewhere down at the extent of this second obstacle, sell take profit, and if we don't quite get there, I don't want to lose the trade. So sell lock profit trigger, and I'm just going to pop an X sell right there. So the X sell just means that if price comes up and touches that X sell line, things are a little different than I was expecting them to be, and all of these lines will be removed from the chart so that later on when price revisits this price point here, it won't enter a trade for no real reason. Now if price at this point in time heads on up and actually gives us a higher high than this one, then what I'm seeing is no longer, and basically what I'm seeing right now is this trend continuation pattern is in progress. So providing we head on down, we've got this trend continuation pattern, which is a great trigger to break these two lows here. So it's a high-low breakout style of trade. Now if price heads up, of course you could make a case for this being a trigger out of this area and being a double tap in that respect. Problem with that is we have this basically this sort of triangular range that we're trading in. The sell trade is breaking out of that, the buy trade is trading into it, plus on the daily chart and below we have a very strong downtrend. So you know, everything is pointing in the direction that I'm trying to go here. So that's the general setup here with the trade manager: a pending sell line with an XL and an SSL and a LPT, sorry, and an STP. So there's nothing to do right now. We just wait for an email at the next juncture of the trade, and I'll continue this video then. Okay, this trade has now been entered. The X sell line is removed from the chart because obviously we're in it now, so that one is not needed. The next stop is either the lock profit trigger and then the take profit, or the stop loss, either of which would result in an email alert. So we need to just keep our eye on that. The reasons for everything right now is, you know, this is the low that we're trading the break of, using that trend continuation pattern to get out of there. This is really the first obstacle that's right in the way. It's not my favorite. I like the first obstacle to be a little further than that, but considering that okay, because the second obstacle will allow for that one-to-one, which is something that we need to check now in case we had any slippage or what have you. As I look to the top left, you'll notice take profit 11, stop loss 11, so that's actually worked out perfectly. There's not really anything else to do other than wait for the next juncture of the trade, and I'll get back to the video then. Okay, just a quick look here at the current picture. We hit the lock profit trigger line, definitely going to take profit here very, very soon. Looks good. I wanted to start the video up again though, just to show you what's happened. That LPT line has been hit and stop loss has been moved here to your break-even point, which is a setting in the EA. I've got it set to +1 pip, so it's locked in the pip, and really just wait and see if it either comes back and gets you 1 pip, or it heads on down and goes to take profit. So really it's just more of an email, this one, to let you know the trade's safe and you're either going to get a break even or a win. So I'll just check back in a sec here and let you guys see the result. Okay, this one has gone to profit and beyond. We've actually come down and broken these lows right here, which is great because that means that the next trade we're just looking for a pullback sell again to trade the similar kind of situation, high-low breakout style. But this video course is not really trying to teach you how to trade. I've created a video course that's several hours for that. What we want to do with this course is just to help everyone get really familiar with the trade manager and understand how you can use it as a set and forget tool to both reduce your screen time, reduce the trading psychology factor because it's going to stop you watching and interfering basically, and just let things go the way you had foreseen them. So that's a wrap for this video, and do stay tuned for the next one.